All right. Yo, what's up, yo? Okali Palona, well known as Kaisla. I'm pushing a new thing here. It's a show that I call Questions Game. So just ask around the questions. Yeah, man, that was nice. The sponsor of this whole thing is PCT Studios, as you can see. This is PCT Studios. I have this pretty lady next to me. How are you? And what's your name?
I'm finding you and like my kheta, Yibo.
Okay, are you a singer? That's not the first question anyway.
No, I'm not singing.
That's a singer. Bruh. But yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm thinking.
Uzangenye.
Okay, so asiqale le we. Yeah. I have the first question here. The first question. Oh, damn it. Let's skip this one. Now I don't know the answer of it.
It's a wow.
Okay. First questions. How many views does Mantalana 4 have on YouTube?
1 million.
What's your answer?
Yeah.
Whippy.
That's wrong. That's wrong. You know, 1.3 million views. So that's a clear.
Okay.
The brain is not brainy. Okay. Question number 2, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Anyway, I forgot to tell the viewers, ne? But this lady, I met her through Imadifa. Then Imadifa, because something happened to the head, but Imadifa, so working there. So now, hence the questions is related to Imadifa and Putmantolo. Yeah, so the next question I still say Paya. What's the number plate of the car besihamba ngayo, the Avanza ethi brandwe pale Madifa?
No, I don't know.
God have mercy upon us.
Second, the brain is not braining. In Malima's meme, whippy. Okay. Question number 3. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. How many kilometers are between Matatiela and Maluti?
Yo. 14.
Isa. Guys, it was AI.
Wrong.
Okay, the correct answer is 11.3 kilometers.
No, God, fine.
The brain was almost braining.
Yeah.
But yeah, something happened.
Why would you say that? Why would you say that? You're just disrespectful.
All right. Question number 4. Are you ready for question number 4?
I'm ready.
Can I call you ngala gama lakho mna? So that people can know.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
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 Okay. All right, this is Priscilla. Okay. Question number 4. What's the biggest podcast in Africa?
Yo. I shame. Yo.
Yeah, it's a hobby.
Yo.
Happy. The brain is not braining.
Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Why would you say that? Why?
The brain is not braining. Otherwise, research shows that it's podcast and chill. Yeah. That's the research that we got. It's the biggest podcast in Africa is Podcast and Chill with Meg G and Sol and Ghost Lady. I love that show. Shout out, guys.
Wow, dog!
Anyway, Yakopo.
No. And go up and join kwanto.
I wonder if you get this one. Oh, I suppose because this is a new show, guys. So it's up better somewhere. I was supposed to announce about how much or what prize do you get if you win? What is BCT Studio sponsoring us with if you get the correct answer? So kahle kahle bethe for each question umuntu akayifumanayo I should offer 10 rand. So it's 5 questions which is 50 rand. You're right, ne?
Yeah, it's fair. No.
I couldn't.
I couldn't.
What's time doesn't?
Time to school, but
Oh my God!
Wena kancane uyavela wena. Wena kancane wena uyavela.
Mina wena ngiyavela.
Uyavela. Wena. Kancane nje kancane. Kodwa kona uyavela.
Kancane.
yeah, fair.
Uyavela. Okay. Last question. At least if you get this one, I'm thinking 50 rand still.
Even there's a
If I find this one, diagonal 50 rand. Imagine famba ngokomthetho kube famba ufumane 3 at least then you get the 50 rand. But now when as long as ufumana. But if ufumana lena at least ngeba nibethe PCT Studios if I give you the 50 rand because it is for the show.
Okay.
But you should get this one right. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
She is gonna break his heart.
Yeah. And that's what she said. Okay. Spell nauseous. I'm feeling nauseous. I feel nauseous.
Okay. N E.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Girl.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, we're not closing no show. We are not closing. We are not closing no show. We are not closing no show.
N-E.
Yes, N E.
When you pitch chance, reconsider.
N U.
Okay, another chance. Because it's a whippy. But when you pitch chance, change it. change it.
No, it's not N E.
Aye!
Yes. Hey, and not N O.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey! The brain is not braining.
It's a whip.
It's a see. Yeah? See, Lorena. Okay. N-A-U-S-E-O-U-S. Nauseous. I'm not sure if you pronounce it right, but yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, man. Otherwise, it was a whippy all along. Whippy! The brain was not braining. Yeah, man. Otherwise, yeah, man, it was nice doing this video. Anything you want to say to the viewers?
Oh, I'm disappointed, guys.
I want to say, I'm on the side.
Yeah, ne?
It was a whippy.
Yo,
So,
like, kanti ayikho enye indlela esingenza ngayo mhlawumbe unikopise boqala.
Hey, banna. Hey, banna.
Awukhonahali shem. Wa understand?
than better sponsors and not give me the funds to do the videos. So,
Okay.
nah. Anyway, do you have any social media platforms whereby people can follow you? I'm different follow you because you're kind of pretty.
No.
Joe. No, it's a weird.
I love you. You're so funny. The comedic timing on that was so brilliant.
No.
It's a whippy. Oh, I want to follow you. Okay. I tried.
It's guys, it was AI.
Anyway, yeah, man. Thank you for watching. This was another episode. Another episode. When the first episode depends when we post this thing. Yeah, so on, man. But then it's Questions Game with your host Kaysla, sponsored by PCT Studios. You can follow me on KSLA_music on most social platforms. On Facebook is Kalipa Samkelo Kaysla Mbango. Yeah, do the right thing. Follow and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. Do all that. They should what? They should what? Subscribe.
But subscribe, yeah. But like, like,
Yes. And follow.
and follow.
Yeah. Otherwise, shout out. Bye. Hey, this one felt kind of tense. But again, we made it to the other side.
Are you looking for the best? Best photography, best videography. We've got you covered. PCT Studios. Book us now.
Emoyeni wami wena uyigongongo kwamsangena basemathandweni kanje. Are you the one I breathe, the one I live, the one I would die for?